Here's all the birds over here in the tree right here. You see them? In that tree? And there's Rocky. Oh, it's Raquel. Hi, Raquel. Hi. Eating the nut. The Adventures of Rocky and Raquel, squirrels. Here. She's going to finish the nut and then she's going to go. Bye-bye. Yep, here she goes. You want to go? Finish your nut. I want to get a little bit more because I want to make a short video of it too. Okay? Looking for some more nuts. Move so fast, we don't see him. And he's behind the pallet over there. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.